What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Mola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to free up space in your PS5 Pro. So the first thing that you need to do is choose some games that you don't play and delete them. After that, press the PA5 button and go to Media Gallery. So we're gonna go to Media Gallery and see where we can delete here. For example, some of these videos that we recorded before and we don't need anymore. We can select all and click delete. So this will free the space storage on your PS5 so you can add more games in future. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to visit the official website, theinternetmola.com. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Bye.